Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today's recipe is chicken ramen dip tacos. To make these tacos, you will need a few things. The first thing you'll need is a pot, about as big as this one, 2 cups of water, a Maruchan chicken flavored ramen packet, these seasonings as shown here, and yes, also this seasoning packet that comes with the ramen. You will also need these Mission Sweet Hawaiian flavored street tacos, a taco holder, a plate to display your tacos on the holder with, and lastly a bowl to dump the ramen and broth into once you've cooked it. Now to start this recipe, it's business as usual when it comes to a ramen packet. First you'll want to turn on the stove top and then put your pot on the stove and proceed to fill it with the 2 cups of water from earlier. Once this pot of water is boiling, you'll want to add your ramen seasoning packet in, make sure it's mixed into the water well, and proceeded to put the ramen brick in there. Once you put the ramen in, you'll want to cook it for 3 to 5 minutes or until your desired tenderness of the noodles happens. Once the time is up and the noodles are up to your expectations, turn off the stove top and let's start to add the rest of the seasonings in. Our first one today is garlic powder, and then you'll want to just shake some in here. Our next seasoning is going to be onion powder. Well, shit. I added way more than I wanted to. Oh well. Good thing I liked onion powder. We'll want to follow up with that being a few shakes of oregano leaves. And then we'll add some black pepper afterwards. Then we'll add some light salt, and this version is supposedly 50% less sodium. And lastly, we will want to add some MSG, or in this case, accent, which is basically the same thing. Once you have all these seasonings in, you'll want to stir them around and incorporate them into your ramen. Once it's well incorporated, you'll want to get your taco holder and put it on the plate from earlier so you can start putting your street tacos on it. After you get your tacos settled in, it's time to grab the ramen. Pour it into your bowl from earlier. Once you've done all those things, it's time to start putting everything together. Grab a fork and get a bunch of ramen to start stuffing your tacos. Now, I only did 3 street tacos here, but you could easily get somewhere probably between 6 to 9 street tacos filled. Once you've got all your tacos stuffed, it's time for a taste test. You'll want to grab a taco and start drowning it in the broth as much as you can, basically like you're giving a kid a swirly. Once you get your taco saturated with the inadequate amount of broth, it's time for the final and best part, trying your very weird creation. Tastes pretty good. I definitely approve, and until next time, I will see you.